Hello, my dear students. Welcome to St. Xavier's Homeschool. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I, Mrs. Anupama, will be going to teach you Standard 7's Maths. Now let us see lesson number 4, Angles and Pairs of Angles. So in this lesson, let us see main concepts, that is angle. So let us see from this lesson main point, angles. So angle means joining of any two rays. Joining of any two rays, that is called as angle. So we can draw a diagram. So there are two rays. Its vertex is B. Here we can take vertex A or point A, and here we can take C. So origin vertex, that is B, of two rays BA and BC. So joining of two rays, ray BA and ray BC, this is called as angle. Angle ABC. Angle ABC, it can be written as with symbol angle ABC. This symbol we use for angle. Okay. Now see, point B is the origin vertex of these two rays BA and BC. Angle ABC having two arms, that is first arm BA and another arm BC. Another arm BC. So let us see next example. Now see the angle shown alongside. Here we have to write name of the angle, name of its vertex, name of its arms, and name of the points marked on its arms. So let us see. We have to same diagram, triangle ABC. Write the name of the angle shown alongside. So here angle ABC is given. So here we can write angle ABC. Next, second, write the name of its vertex B of these two rays. So vertex B. Next, write the names of its arms. So there are two arms, BA and BC. So arm BA and arm BC. Next, number 4, write the names of its points marked on its arms. So here we have to write the names of its points which mark on its arms. So on this arm BA there is points A, B, and on the arc arm BC there are 2 points B and C. So points A, B, and C on the arm BA and BC. So write down. Now let us see next point, the interior and exterior of an angle in the plane of the figure alongside. See, we have to find interior portion and exterior portion. Interior portion means inside portion of the angle and exterior portion means outside portion of the angle. So let us find interior parts, that is points M and OT, exterior points G, D, S, E. Now let us see points on the angle. It means which lie on the angle or which are on the angle. And points on the angle, that is points PQR. So points PQR which lie on the angle. See the practice set 15. You have to solve example number 1. Angle is given. You have to find points in the interior, points in the exterior, and points on the angle. Let us see few more examples in next video. Stay home, stay safe. Bye. Take care.